Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Rainbow Six not launching. Easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to first right click on Rainbow Properties, Compatibility, enable those three options and make it for Windows 8, apply and OK, and then go to View Advanced System Settings, go to Settings, adjust for best performance, then click apply and OK. And now if that doesn't fix your problem, now the last thing you need to do, go to the GeForce Experience and go to drivers. Make sure to install the latest driver for your graphics card and then go back, and before launching it, open Task Manager and make sure to clear your memory. Right click and end all applications that you don't need, and you must know what they do before closing it. And then that's it, your problem must fix it. Just try again and see you in the next video.